Okay, let's see. Hey guys, welcome in. City buffet. What a salt, pepper, shrimp, spare ribs, buffalo wings, coconut shrimp. Yeah. Let's see. Muffin. Honey chicken. Take a little bit of greens. A little bit, not much. Bourbon chicken. No man, come like a beer chicken me I take. I need a plate just for chicken alone. Bourbon chicken. Fried dumplings. Look on the fried dumplings. No new friends. Yeah, you know what say? I eat me I work funny. I don't know new friends. Big up yourself. Welcome in. You come like I meat alone. Fried rice. I like what them fried rice yellow. Welcome in. Yeah man, the Olympics stress me right out man. So you know say right now me have to I move around and get a look plate. Let's see. Mushroom. You know, I never think we eat mushroom before. Let me try. That tastes like. I don't know. Big up down your friends. Jesus Christ. Roast beef. Alright. Roast if you like fish. Yeah. Take a piece of the fish here. Let's see what else. Crab meat. You want sick, you know. Pizza. Thank you for the thumbs up. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, she helped me. That's nice. Guys, you look like say, no one wanted a plate, you know see? No, I wanted a plate already. Cause the macaroni and cheese they look good. And I want kind of watery though. But kind of sloppy. Smoky. Wagwan. Why the Olympics stress we have to get the good food? Thank you guys. Welcome in. Roast mushroom. The fish they look good. Roasted ham. Taste piece of this. Jordan. Wagwan. Welcome in. Taste piece of this. Big up yourself. Guys, me have to go get one of that plate in up. I don't know. So me not even reach over here so yet. Watch planting. Cheese. Big up yourself, Jordan. Welcome in. I have to take piece of the plant here. If it's sweet, I get piece more. When I come back, but I have to taste it first. Gosh, fried chicken, guys. The great fried chicken. I have to take piece of this. You know, so I need another plate. Yeah, the mac and cheese look watery. That's why I just take one look at that. Fried shrimp. Fried shrimp? No? Wanna think. Fries, calamari, sweet donuts, hot dog. I wonder which part the hot dog do what them say. Wagwan Stewart. Guys, we have to go get another plate because them have sushi and them suck the over there. So we are gonna put this down and go get to another plate. Yeah. And I want the soup too. Because I love them soup. We want the soup, so we are going to work with this. Antoine had a plate so far. Okay, you want hear me good? That, no fried shrimp, no. Alright, not a problem. The soup is a must, definitely. So, see there. See what kind of soup them have. Egg drop soup. Jesus Christ. Hot and sour soup. Seafood soup. Thank you for the thumbs up. You're not on a regular soup? You're not on a regular soup? Let me see. One tongue. Oh, I like this. I like this. One tongue soup. But I just a long water though. I like this. And then have a look on scallion. And then if I want, I can put one dumpling pan it. It's hot though. How about a gumbo? Guys, the place nice. Let me show you what else them have. Alright, so fruits. We have to go come back for the fruits. Melon, cantaloupe. I don't know what that pineapple with syrup on it. Peaches, coleslaw, cucumber, egg, and them thing there. Over here, so them have jellos, jello for days. Cake, lot of different pastries. Oh my god. This nice. If me move fast on too fast on make me know now. Over here so now salad. Salad for days. So for all of the vegetarian, vegan them a food section this. We have something for everybody. And we also have oysters. Jesus. Nobody love oysters? Not really an oyster fan. Not really an oyster fan. Oh yeah, so them a cook. Any ice cream? Oh yes, they do. Gomez. They do. Over here, so them are the ice cream bars right here. Chocolate, vanilla, raspberry, cherry. Them have the ice cream sandwich too, where you can get. And I think I see them cook up there so. Them have the same thing up there so. And over here so, them have the area where you have the chef and make the things them beer. If you want that fresh off the grill, that's pretty cool. And sushi, any sushi lovers in the house? Yep, see ya. Put them on sushi for days. Guys don't know, so I have to go come back and try them different sushi. And not true. Crab sushi, all of it. Whoa, this is nice. I like this. This is nice. So yeah, it's a good look. But guys, big up on yourself. Thank you for joining. Me I go eat ya now, and then me I go circle back when I time for dessert and stuff. Okay? Yeah.